mother. Where are you going to?
Well, I'm going to see a friend. Moreover, must you always know where I go?
You're lying. You started telling lies because you want to take my position, isn't it? Since when did you start going out of the palace without your maids?
Mother, I don't like this. I don't.
Don't like what?
Why must I always go out with my mates? Am I the only princess in this world? Why must the maids announce my presence before I get to where I'm going? Besides, I wish to go out today without them.
Good daughter. Good princess. So you were taking this to the stranger, isn't it? Good. Your father will hear of this.
Mother, please. Mother, let me have the food. You don't have to do this. Mother, can I just have the food?
What is it, woman?
Mother, let me have it.
Ask her. Ask your daughter. Ask the princess. That is your naughty daughter that you placed in my room. Ask her.
Excuse me.
Father, you just heard her call me good for nothing and you're not going to say anything about it.
Tell me. What do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do? Why is it that you cannot let me drink water and drop the cup in this palace? What do you want me to do? What is it again this morning?
Is this not this your useless daughter that tormented me in the room for 9 months? She was taking this to the stranger.
What? And you did?
Father, what is wrong with feeling your practice?
Stop it! How dare you? The stubborn goat is not sold at a nearby village. How dare you question my authority? How dare you? Listen to me, my dear. You are just a princess. Nothing more than that. Order my water! Get off you! Are you mad?
Father, you slapped me.
I'll do that again. Guess I'm taking. Let's go.
A fly that decides to perch on a stone must surely go without food. Who are you and what do you want from me? Who are you? If how one walks, that his clothes gets torn. I have come to tell you that no one watches on the tail of a poisonous snake and go scot-free. You must die! Ta, Bafuo! Shut up! Shut up, Okenwa! Shut your mouth up. Listen, the monkey that decides to see the face of a hunter must surely receive bullets in its forehead. Buffalo! Ta! Is this a dream? What sort of dream? What sort of dream? No. No. Myself dead? No! No!
Conscience, you. He derives joy.
Your Majesty, Your Majesty, this stranger must die. He should be killed. He must die. I smelled retrogression, confusion and danger the moment I stepped into this place.
Conscience, you. He derives joy from killing the people who walk away.
I have eyes.
Bad man.
I cannot see.
Ajamado. Bad man. Oh, I quite not like a good thing.
What are the gods?
He like to kill.
That is what's troubling the land. The spirit of Let Okenwa appeared before me on my way to this palace. And he said that this stranger is the king. He went further to say that this stranger is the son of his late Majesty.
You like to kill the people.
No!
You like to put us for their eyes.
That is not true.
Nobody.
Not true!
Ooh.
This is why I often call you a blind priest. When death is too much in water, even the blind will notice it. Everyone knows in this community that
He derives joy from killing the people who walk away.
never had a child before he died.
Ajamado. Bad man.
Why
Getting conscience
would a child
from killing the people
from nowhere come into the community to claim that
derives joy from killing the people who walk away.
Majesty? Why?
Bad man.
There is a scientific proof
Ajamado.
that you are
Bad man.
fortune teller.
Bad man no getting conscience.
That is
He
what you
derives
are.
joy from killing the people who walk away.
Listen to me.
Bad man.
Listen.
Ajamado.
Go and
Bad man.
give him
Oh, I quite not like a good thing.
spiritual food.
He like to kill
I want to see him
and destroy.
sunset.
Truth is bitter. Malice is sweeter. I'm sorry about it, Your Majesty, but this is the message. I heard you. Consider it.
It's like he not getting duplicate though. You like to kill the people. You like to put us for them.
Yeah, why, Mama? Please come.
What do you want? Talk and be hurried.
Why are you acting as if you don't know me? I am the chief priest of this kingdom. So when I stop you to talk to you, you should listen. Even your king listens when I speak.
I have no time to waste with you here. Her Majesty sent me an errand. How can I help you?
Your Majesty sent you on an errand. Fine. Take this food. Please, take it to the guard room. Give it to the guards. Ask them to give it to the stranger.
Ha! How can this food be for a commoner, a prisoner and a stranger? This food is so expensive for a prisoner.
I know that the food is expensive, but take it to them like that. Ask them to give it to the stranger.
Okay.
Thank you. Your Majesty, the worst has happened. The worst has happened. Your Majesty, the worst has happened. The water has decided to settle in the mountain instead of in the pit. The gas ate the food meant for the stranger. I met the corpses of the guards when I came in there this morning. And that is a big blow on us. Very big blow!
What are you talking about? That you could not kill this stranger? Is it a common stranger? You could not kill? And you keep on coming to collect huge amount of money all the time for sacrifices. Anything? And you do not want to know anything. How could you do that? You allow the stranger to go just like that? Go immediately and get the stranger alive. The stranger. Don't kill him. Don't touch him. Bring him alive to this place. I must bury him alive in this community. Go. Go!
I keep telling you, to talk is for man, to decide is for the gods. You dare not dictate for the gods. I am doing my best. It is not as easy as you think.
I keep on telling you that your best is not enough. Go and do your best. Go. Go and get the stranger. Get him.
That is not true. I mean, my father cannot kill you. He loves you. My people love you. They want you around.
Princess, please. I have to go. When a snake bites a child, he becomes scared of everything that crawls. Please understand. I have to go.
Please let me go. I enjoyed the last time we spent together. Even my people testified of your greatness. They want you to remain in this village. They said the health tips you gave to them worked.
Princess, please. I have to go. Look, my mother hasn't seen me for some days now. She must be worried. Please. I have to go.
Okay. Please. I don't want you to. I love you. I want you to remain in this village. Listen, I promise to get an apartment for you and your mother, so you don't leave, please. this.
And when your father finds out, he will kill me. Look, my mother is just a poor widow. I cannot stand her losing her only child. Please, save him. I have to go.
Whatever you sow, that you will get. This life, you not get it duplicate though. You like to kill the people. You like to put us for their eyes though.
Whoever kills a cub should wait for its lioness. I think I am tired of this nonsense. By 6 p.m., if my daughter fails to return to this palace, I will chop off the head of somebody. And I mean it. With due respect, I want you to know we elders do not know anything about the missing princess. We are too old to poke our finger in our anus and smell it close. I think this is the handbook of one of our neighboring communities.
No, John. I totally disagree with you. I disagree with you. Leave our neighboring communities out of this. As you want war. As you want war, leave them out of this. Look, we should learn to wash our hands clean before we ask others to do so. Leave them out of this.
All I want from you is to go round. Go round all nooks and crannies of this kingdom. Get that girl and this stranger back to this palace. Otherwise, you will know that the fowl that swallowed it, a pig, will not live to be proud of it.
Igwe, you cannot kill any one of us because of your missing daughter.
My friend, will you keep quiet? Sit properly before you address the...
Igwe, listen. You cannot get anybody responsible here because we do not know the whereabouts of your daughter. Yes, we don't know. It is obvious that the stranger escaped with your daughter. And having known this, all we need to do is to be patient. Do our plannings well and capture them. Igwe, this is my humble submission.
You have not submitted anything. And that is why I keep on telling you that you know nothing and you do not know that you know nothing. And you do not want to know anything. Go inside of my daughter and bring her here. And that is all I want. You will get out of my presence, all of you.
Igwe, try with caution. Try with caution. None of these elders here knows anything about your daughter.
We don't know.
It's alright. I see love in the eyes of the sun. It's alright. We shall see. We shall see.
Anna.
I see love in the eyes of your daughter. Useless men of this great useless community.
Thank God for seeing you. You would have rolled away the tears.
Mama, it was a terrible experience. I was locked in a room for 5 days without food. Thank God for saving my life.
But I told you. I told you I want to. What an elder see while sitting. A child, even when he stands, or climb an iroko tree, will not see it. I'm fear. I told you when we were going to that village. I warned you about it, but you did not listen to me.
I know you warned me, but I cannot stop going to that village. Some way, somehow, God is going to replace their wickedness with kindness.
I hope there's no problem. Because I'm astonished by your presence here.
Not at all. I wish to extend my real visit to this community. Rebecca is my friend. I've come to see and to know you.
Princess, you're welcome. But I feel that your presence is more needed in the palace. Because God is so to those who know its values. And what?
Well, Mama, that is not the case here. I visit the less privileged. I give hope to the hopeless and voice to the voiceless. I have come to see Emeka.
Thank you. Welcome once again. May God bless you. He will give you knowledge, wisdom, and understanding to accomplish your ambitions.
Thank you very much. Let me have it. Well, Mama, this is a little thing for you.
Hey.
And Emeka.
For me and my son?
Yes,
Hey. Thank you very much, Mama. If any not for me.
Yes,
Hey! Listen, God will bless you. God will bless you very much. Hey!
Well, Mama, thank
All this
you
for
very
me?
much for the prayers. Thank you very much for the prayers. And, Mama, one more. I want you and Emeka to move to my village. I promise to get you an apartment very close to the palace.
Hey! Did you hear that? Hey! Hey! Thank you. Oh, our Lord bless you. The God of this land will bless you. You will grant you all you need to accomplish your aim on this land. Hey!
Thank you.
Chinek.
Princess, thank you very much. I am most grateful.
It's okay. And you will. Well, Mama, I have to leave now.
Go see so. And sit a little now. So who can?
No, Mama, I have
Hey.
to. My parents will be now.
No problem. Now see how. Hey.
Okay, Mama.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
That's all. Thank you very much. Hey.
I appreciate it.
I hope to see you soon.
Okay, Mama. Bye.
Emeka, please. I just want My heart breaks. I beg you, if you can hear me, please just... Please, I just want to see you, please. Emeka! Emeka, can you hear me? Emeka, if you can hear me, please just come out. Please, I beg you, please. Emeka! It's a dream. It's a dream. Why does it have to be a dream? I just need to see you again. Just need to see you. Just see you. Please just come back to me. Please come back to me. Please come back. I beg you, please. Please. To arrest me? Have you forgotten that I am the princess of this land?
We were instructed by His Majesty to bring you back to the palace anywhere we find you.
I'm sorry, my princess. You have to come to the palace with us.
To bring me back to the palace? Am I a kid or his sheep? Well, go tell your king that I have no business with him.
We are working under the instruction of His Majesty. Don't expect us to disobey him. Shall we?
And leave her alone.
Bad man no get the conscience.
How dare you, Father? How dare you order your warriors to insult me? Father, you gave me the worst insults today because your people call me the princess, which I know I am not. Take this. This is your royal attire. I am no longer the princess. I cease to be called the princess of this land.
So where are you going to? Come back here.
And do what? Father, I am tired. I am fed up with your royal symbols. I am tired of princess this today, princess that tomorrow.
It like to kill and destroy.
Come here! Come! Take her out and lock her out!
Do not lay your filthy hands on me.
I said take her out and you're looking at me. Take her out! For a woman who has no child, does not breastfeed. Take her out and lock her in the guardroom, quick!
I said kill the people. Take it easy. Just let me go!
Hey!
My beautiful daughter. The only daughter that knows the heart of her mother. You know everything. I do not know, mother. And I hope you're not here to discuss issues concerning this village. Mother, I have made it clear that I am no longer the princess of this land. Nonsense. Don't talk like that. are not two princesses in this kingdom. You are the one and the only princess your people have. And they are suffering because you have refused to play your part.
Mother, stop this. Stop!
I will be grateful if you can deliver them.
Mother, listen. I hate it when people fail to understand me. I have made it clear that I am no longer the princess of this land. Is that not enough? How else do you expect me to express myself? Mother, the people of this community are suffering because your husband is still on that throne. And the earlier he vacates the throne, the better for everybody. And if you do not know this, Mother, you are not a queen. Your husband is not a king. The people of this community cannot accuse me of being the problem because I am no longer their princess. Tell your husband to vacate the throne for the rightful owner to occupy it. Shut up!
Useless king. The ear that refuses to hear will be cut off. Useless king.
Igwe, we're suffering. We're suffering, Igwe, and it is obvious you know this. You know that we are suffering. Igwe, just yesterday, Chuka's wife and his only son were devoured by the crocodile. That is why he's not here with us. That is why he is not here with us. Igwe, I wonder the kind of princess we have. For it is better that one does not have a pocket than he has a leaky pocket. By now you would have seen the princess. You would have seen her to come and perform what she should do to save us. But let me put one thing across here. Let me make it clear. Igwe, if anything should happen to any member of my family, any member of my family, Igwe, this palace will not accommodate you and I. Clear.
Patience. Just be patient. Because a patient dog is the biggest flesh on bones.
That's all.
Not the bones.
That's all you have to say.
No one hides the illness on the nose. I am surprised to see that your eyes are open, yet you see nothing. This man you call your king is the cause of all the calamities in this community. Hey! This man sitting down here and Ezegibia are behind all the killings.
Hey! Hey!
My father, the so-called king, killed Okenwa.
Hey!
He also killed the war leader after asking him to kill the stranger and his fellow.
So, hey! What happened again?
You do not know. Well, I ceased to be the princess because I know my father shouldn't be sitting on the throne. I cannot take what does not rightfully belong to me.
God, take her out. Oh! Take her out and tell her I will never allow her to come at the gate. The girl has gone mad again. Yes.
I have not gone mad. Tell them the truth, father. Tell them.
Hey! Hey! I'll take her out.
Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Hey! Hello. Hey. What do you have to say? You are a madman.
Leave me. Leave me. Just leave me. I said, leave me. Leave me. Leave me. Leave me. You are crying. What is it? Why are you crying now? Stop crying. Huh? Stop crying. Yeah.
Please. Please. Is it possible for you to just leave me? I want to be left alone. Please.
Oh, let me tell you. It's not the fault of the soil to grow widow. Eh? Just relax. Whatever goes on must surely come down. If you're not going, just relax.
What are you talking about? Why am I getting all this attack from the palace? What have I done? You sit here and you act like you don't know nothing? What have I done? Why am I getting all this attack from the palace? Am I the prince? Do I walk in the palace? Why does the king want me dead? Answer me!
My son, what buys a man is different from what itches him. Eh? Don't bother yourself, because I have told you, these people, find the wicked, they are very, very wicked. Eh? I've told you before now that these people, I forged your fanjo. They are wicked.
You know what I am talking about. When I look at you, I feel there is something you're not telling me. What connections do I have with the palace? I said, what connection do I have with the palace?
Mama? Emeka?
Of this house. Where are they? There's nobody in the house and the house is empty.
They're no longer there, ma'am.
You mean travel? You're coming back? What do you mean? I guess you may wait for it.
I hope there's no problem, ma'am.
Emeka, where are you? I want to see you again in my arms. You're my king. You're my prince. I want to see you again. I need you. Everything in my life wants you, Emeka. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
A healthy teeth can never be found in a rotten mouth. We cannot continue to sleep with one eye closed, like a man surrounded by his enemies. Simply because we have failed to observe our festival, our culture, our tradition. We can no longer go to the farm because crocodile has taken over. Biko, I beg you, call your daughter, let her go and dance before Ugo River. Biko, I beg you. Igwe, we have suffered enough. Igwe, this situation is an evil wind that has no man in this community any good. Igwe, we cannot allow the horse to eat up our crops in the farm because the horse is white. Wherever the princess is, let her come out and dance in the Ubu River. Then I may harvest my yam. Igwe, as I talk here now, the crocodile is blocking the way to my farm. And if any man dares go into my farm, the crocodile will devour him. Bikonu, Igwe, please help us. Hey.
There may not be much difference between the water garden from the ocean, the river, and the stream. But certainly, their deaths are different.
I understand the plight.
Tell me why you are killing us. Tell me why you are fighting us. Tell me why. Tell me why.
But
tell me why
you see, my daughter has rejected her princesshood, and she has absconded for some time now. I have not set my eyes on her, and all of you are aware of it. Please, I want you to bear with me. Have patience. Her mother, the queen, has tried her possible best to see that she brings her back to continue.
You are happy for the life you are taking.
But all to no avail.
God be sure the wicked cannot go unpunished. You set the village on fire.
It is difficult.
Take away their sleep.
I know. It is difficult because she is the only one that can do the dance in Ubu River. Quite unlike her counterpart, the family of late Majesty Ebuka, whose wife played the role of not giving birth to any child. It is extremely difficult because I have a daughter that can do it. But it is forbidden for anyone else to do it. I would have suggested that we crown another young girl.
Tell me why. Tell me why.
Anyway, no one considers the size of a snake before setting up a fire. We cannot continue to face the wrath of the gods. The will written by dead people are changed by those living. We must change this. I have a daughter who is willing to become a princess and she's ready to do what is necessary. Do what is required of her.
That is a good idea. But Dikeh, we have to consult our ancestors to know if the dance of your daughter is good enough to be accepted.
An old woman is never old. To dance the music, she dances best. Igwe, anywhere your daughter may be, get her to perform the rites so that this community can move forward. The gorilla and the monkey claim to be one, but they are never one. The monkey is monkey and gorilla is gorilla. There must be difference between the princess and your daughter. So Igwe, please, help us get your daughter.
We are all together. All I need is for us all to find a lasting solution to the problem at hand. I want Dikeh to consult our ancestors before we commence the action.
I am in total support of Onyezi bringing the daughter to the dance. I want us to have it at the back of our mind. No matter what we do, the deity that accepts blood sacrifice will never accept a boy as a substitute of agriculture. Onyezi, bring your daughter. Let her come and do the right thing so that our people will not continue to suffer.
There are more to human life than the physical eyes can see. There are much more to life. There are much more to human life than the physical eyes can see. Igwe, I am finished. I am finished. I am dead. I am finished. I am tired of this job. Take your staff. Take your staff.
How can you be dead and finished when you are here working your Sit down and tell me what the problem is.
I am not sitting down. I am going back to my village. I am going back to my village.
No.
That I'm alive now. Yes, I'm alive, but someone who is dead is better than me. Take your staff.
You got to go. Is it? My stronghold. You are everything to me. You cannot live. Without you, so you cannot live. You must stay here and do more sacrifices. So that this community be at peace.
Oh! Now you know! Now you know that I am important to you and your kingdom. Too late for you. I can't stay behind. I am going back to my village. Listen! Let me tell you this. A child beaten by a snake is always afraid of everything that crawls. Do you understand that? Take your staff! I'm going back to my village.
From afar.
Yes. Everything is alright. There is no problem.
Doubt all is well with you, Your Majesty.
Listen. Just leave me alone. I need a quiet time for myself, please.
If you say so, Your Majesty.
Emeka, you must go back to the community and deliver your people. You are the king of Ubulu Kingdom. Go with your mother, for I will be with you.
Asking me to save my people. Does it mean the people of Ubulu are my people? What was that?
The wrestling match between our neighboring village. What is the plan? How far are we planning?
Our young men are working. They are working, they are not ready to. They are not.
No! No, you are dead! You are dead! These people are dead. They are dead. I can still remember that woman vividly. that I sent my warriors to kill her, and she was killed. Yes. And you, I can still remember. I can remember you. You are the stranger, and you are dead also. That is what you think. Your reign in Obolo Kingdom is over. And that throne which you sit is mine. No. No. No.
I know that you, my fellow elders, will be surprised.
Yeah.
Emeka here and the mother are not dead. They are alive.
Really?
He is the young man we call a stranger. But this stranger you're looking at, Emeka, is the biological son of late King Ebuka. Yes. His mother here was a maid in this palace. She was a maid here. And I know that all of you can still remember how we brought her to late King Ebuka and the reason we brought her.
I know her. I recognize her immediately she stepped her foot into the palace. Yeah.
But I was a victim. The late Queen, Her Majesty, used. And we drove her away when she was pregnant for late King Ebuka. Because according to the late Queen, the son of a maid shall not have a place in this palace. I can still remember vividly how everything happened. I remember.
Celine, I also remember. I remember how we brought this young woman as a maid into the palace with the hidden intention of making her the second wife to His Majesty.
Oh.
When Her Majesty could not bear a fruit. You were part of that plan. You were part of that. The only thing I did not remember is how she left the palace.
Oh, Philly, that is not all. I remember all that happened, how he left the palace. Because they are all fresh in my memory. I was the brain behind my departure. I was a victim. My hands were tied. I could not help the situation. But all I want you, the elders, to do is to forgive me. Forgive me, I am so sorry. Forgive me because my hands were tied. I was a victim. I am so sorry.
Shut up!
I would want Informer and his son Emeka here. Please forgive me.
So don't have to go there. Please. Don't have to go there. You did the right thing. You did the right thing. You don't need to apologize. This is conspiracy. Conspiracy! There is no damper without the consent of the soil. This throne is my throne. The crown is my crown. Nobody takes my throne and my crown from me. Nobody.
You lie.
Don't kill me.
Who is killing me?
Don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Don't. Don't kill me. Let me confess. 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 Yes. Thank you. I committed so many atrocities on this land. I killed so many. Told lies against so many people here in this community. And I killed. I was the one who killed Okemwan. I killed you. I killed you. As I killed Ebuka. I killed the queen! I killed so many people. I asked the warrior to kill his junior brother. And I killed him so that the secret would be kept. Yes, I did. I did all this. Rebecca, yes, Rebecca, I did all this. I almost killed Rebecca too. But exceeded my power. My evil plans backfired. Ezedibia was struck dead. Yes, I did all this. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Oh! I'm receiving heat! Heat! Come and remove it from my bed! Remove it! Remove it! Remove it! Remove it! Remove it! No! 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 Don't kill me! No! Don't kill me! You deserve not to live. Yes. He deserves not to live.
Don't! Do you know what? Don't.
So you committed all these atrocities in this great kingdom? Check over the quan!
Yeah!
Check over the quan!
Yeah!
Check over the quan!
Yeah!
Take this.
Hey! Oh God.
Igwe!
Hey!
This is a new dawn. Yes. We have witnessed the reign of terror in the past. Lost our kinsmen. Lost our kinswomen. In fact, we lost our crops. But now, our ancestors are giving us a big
Yeah!
As we pray, because of this land and your rain, be a blessing to this kingdom.
He said!
Thank you very much for your kind words.
We shall celebrate this coronation in due course.
Bad man no get the conscience, yo. He derives joy from killing the people. Bad man, Ajamado. Bad man no get the conscience, yo. He derives joy from killing the people. Bad man, Ajamado. Bad man. Who not like a good thing? They like to kill and destroy. Who